been done. It has a beautiful 90-degree road, wide roads, better connectivity, all the infrastructure coming into a small micro market. That is what town planning is. As all of you know that Malunge micro market, there are players who are operational in this micro market for quite a long time, and we coming into picture. We will definitely mark difference, that is for sure. But overall, in township level amenities, if I have to talk about, all of you know that it is your own boutique park life walkway. That is how we vision it. Going forward, all of you know that there is a central park. Whosoever is operational in Malunge micro market, there is a central park which is already operational, 7.5 acre. And it is over and above the amenities which a developer, which a specific developer is offering. This is where people can go, people can have their walk, evening walk, people can take their pet along there, and then they can enjoy the central park, and which is a huge, it's an oxygen generating zone overall, a green, lush green area. Malunge is again, as you know, that Malunge township has been divided into two parts, the other side of the river and this side of the river. And we'll have a 1 kilometer nice river promenade which the authorities will beautify. It will have a boat club, it will have Elysium Sports Club which is coming on the bank of the river. I believe many of you know about Elysium Sports Club. This is a professional sports club wherein there are a lot of sports academies which will come. If I can remember, Gary Custom Cricket Academy, Sania Nehwal Badminton Academy will also come in that place, as I was talking about the sports complex. And obviously the infrastructure, apart from your leisure, apart from your other amenities, you require the infrastructure like hospitals, schools, and the basic infrastructure which is required to live in a society, right? So considering the same, we do have two beautiful schools. As you know, DPS is just 50 meters away from us, from our location, and we do have one more school operational over there. Hospitals, there is a place which has been defined in terms of healthcare facility that will eventually come. And road widening, I believe many of you have seen, roads are being constructed, it's getting done, and the road widening will happen. Ashish sir had some time before, he had only informed me that the road will become 36 meter or 34 meter. So that is how things are. Thank you so much for this,